ascension and march to Delhi. Alauddin, known as Ali Gurshasp until his ascension in July 1296, was formally proclaimed as the new king with the title Alauddin Muhammad Shah as Sultan at Kara. Meanwhile, the head of Alauddin was paraded on a spear in his camp before being sent to Awadh. Over the next 2 days, Alauddin formed a provisional government at Kara. He promoted the existing emirs to the rank of maliks and appointed his close friends as the new emirs. At that time, there were heavy rains, and the Ganga and the Yamuna rivers were flooded. But Alauddin made preparations for a march to Delhi and ordered his officers to recruit as many soldiers as possible without fitness tests or background checks. His objective was to cause a change in the general political opinion by portraying himself as someone with huge public support. To portray himself as a generous king, he ordered 5 mans of gold pieces to be shot from a manjanic catapult at a crowd in Kara. One section of his army, led by himself and Nusrat Khan, marched to Delhi via Badorn and Baran modern Bulanshahr. The other section, led by Zafar Khan, marched to Delhi via Koil modern Aligarh. As Alauddin marched to Delhi, the news spread in towns and villages that he was recruiting soldiers or distributing gold. Many people from both military and non-military backgrounds joined him. By the time he reached Badorn, he had a 5,600 strong cavalry and a 600 strong infantry. At Baran, Alauddin was joined by 7 powerful Alauddin nobles who had earlier opposed him. These nobles were Tajul Mulk Khilji, Malik Abaji Arka Bek, Malik Amir Ali Diwana, Malik Usman Amir Arka, Malik Amir Khan, Malik Umar Sirka, and Malik Hiranma. Alauddin gave each of them 30 to 50 mans of gold, and each of their soldiers 300 silver tankers hammered coins. Alauddin's march to Delhi was interrupted by the flooding of the Yamuna River. Meanwhile, in Delhi, Jalaluddin's widow Mulka-I Jahan appointed her youngest son Khilji Khan as the new king with the title Renuddin Ibrahim, without consulting the nobles. This irked Akali Khan, her eldest son, and the governor of Multan. When Malika-I Jahan heard that Jalaluddin's nobles had joined Alauddin, she apologized to Akali and offered him the throne, requesting him to march from Multan to Delhi. However, Akali refused to come to her aid. Alauddin resumed his march to Delhi in the second week of October 1296, when the Yamuna River subsided. When he reached Siri, Renuddin led an army against him. However, a section of Renuddin's army defected to Alauddin at midnight. A dejected Renuddin then retreated and escaped to Multan with his mother and the loyal nobles. Alauddin then entered the city, where a number of nobles and officials accepted his authority. On October 21, 1296, Alauddin was formally proclaimed as the Sultan in Delhi.